Good morning, everyone. Today we will be doing the topic that is importance of organizational behavior in today's modern world, or you can say with organizational behavior in context of today's work culture. In today's work culture, things are changing, trends are changing. So organizational behavior basically helps you to study the behavior of the people, the pattern, and if there is any like stress, grievances, conflicts in the organization, so organizational behavior helps you to overcome that particular situation as well. So organizational behavior can foster an environment that can support employees growth. This basically organizational behavior helps you to develop a particular environment in your organization which will leads to growth of the employees, strengthen the workplace relationship, improve the overall business efficiency. So you can say organizational behavior is basically the key to unlock higher engagement, smooth operation, and long-term sustainability in the organization. So we will be discussing the modern organizational behavior. It basically enhances the employees' engagement, how the employees are being motivated, their skills, their work culture, their work environment. Modern organizational behavior improves the leadership effectiveness by inspiring them, by having an open relationship, open communication, open feedback option, and understanding the human behavior. Modern organizational behavior basically foster innovation and creativity, because with creative thinking and risk taking abilities you can adapt to new challenges and opportunities in the environment. It helps in conflict resolution and effective communication, because you identify the reason for conflicts, you resolve those conflicts, and it ultimately leads to a healthy communication channel and healthy environment in the organization. It helps in adapting to the technology advancement. With time, technology is changing. The organizational behavior helps you to manage those changes in the organizational environment. It helps to manage diversity. People from different culture, religion, they are working in the organization. So organizational behavior helps you to manage that diversity. It boosts the team's performance. Collaborated and coordination efforts is there, and ethical decision making. You can make decisions that are ethical, make responsible choices and high ethical standards.